Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Information and Communication Technology class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Chapter 2, Lesson 10 and 11. Let's see. Class 7, Subject ICT, Topic Chapter 2, Lesson 10 and 11, Term Annual, Lecture number 17. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 17. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman. This is my mobile number 01735 852285 and this is my messenger ID. Let's start our discussion. Lesson 10 and 11, Memory and Storage Devices. Both of the lessons are on the same topic, memory and storage devices. Memory and storage devices are very essential in modern technology based commodities. Memory is of two kinds. Sorry, here is a spelling mistake here. Memory is of two kinds. Number one, primary memory, and number two is secondary memory. And primary memory is of two kinds. Number one, RAM, that means random access memory. Now we will know about RAM. The processor primarily stores data in RAM. Later, the processor processes data from the RAM. As the processor can collect data from anywhere on the RAM, it is called random access memory. That means processor can collect data anytime and anywhere of the RAM easily. Stored information in RAM is lost if the power fails. That means if electricity is gone, then the stored information in RAM are lost or is removed. RAM stores when the computer is on. As soon as the computer is shut off, the RAM does not have any data. And number two, ROM, read-only memory. From the name we can understand the function of this memory. Read-only memory, that means the memory which only we can read. We cannot change or input any other information or data. Commands which are required to keep ICT devices or computer software operative are permanently stored in the ROM. Storage of ROM does not depend on power as it can only be read. It is called ROM or read-only memory. It is also called permanent memory, or as stored data cannot be modified or new data cannot be added in it without applying different procedures. So we have learned two primary memory, RAM and ROM. Now we will learn about hard disk. It is the main device for storing data. The IBM computer company first used the hard disk to store data in 1956. Usually a hard disk contains a set of stacked disks that are called plotters. They are made of either aluminum alloy, glass or ceramic on which an electromagnetic coating is given. This is the spelling is coating, C-O-A. There is O is mistaken. Data is stored on it. When the hard disk runs, the plotters spin and two heads, one on each side of the disk, read or write with the spinning. So this is the structure of hard disk. Now we will learn of another kind of memory, CD or DVD. CD means a compact disk and DVD means digital versatile disk or digital video disk. CD and DVD are very popular storage devices. Their data storing capacity, portability, durability, cheapness, and convenience have made them popular. A thin layer of aluminum is applied on the lower portion of the CD or DVD and is protected by polycarbonate plastic on either side. So this is the function and usefulness of CD and DVD. Now we'll learn about the most popular and updated version of memory, that is flash drive or memory card. The name of most easily portable storage device is pen drive or flash drive. It first came to the market in 2000 and is more durable than a CD or DVD. Memory cards are of different sizes and storing capacities. So this lesson number 10 and 11 is very much important, and these are the discussion of from these two lessons. We have discussed on various types of memories and storage devices. First of all, RAM and ROM, then hard disk. Then we have learned about CD, DVD and flash drive and pen drive also. So my dear students, I hope that all of you have understood today's class. For your better understanding, please read your textbook again and again. If you have any question or inquiry regarding these lessons or this chapter, please contact with me. I will show you again. This is my name, Mahmudur Rahman. Mobile number 01735852285 and messenger Mahmudur Rahman Soel. So now my students, stay safe and stay healthy. Keep in touch with us in your YouTube classes and attend the online classes regularly. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.